Morning everyone. Today's topic is propagation of shrubs. This is in continuation of exercise number 3rd as per your syllabus. Shrubs are used for different purposes in the gardens, and these are: a stage of shrubs are established as borders on the sides of walks and paths. Shrubs are planted at the corners of lawns. A shrubbery is an area planted with different kinds of shrubs. A shrub border is made with only one kind of shrub. Shrubs that find frequent pruning and trimming can be used for topiary bark. Tall growing shrubs can be used to screen disagreeable objects. I am describing some important shrubs here for your reference. First one is Acalypha indica. It's the scientific name of Acalypha. It belongs to family Euphorbiaceae. It is mainly propagated through cuttings. General remarks of this shrub is suitable for hedging and screening. Leaves are blotched, mottled with different shades of red, crimson and brown. Flowers bright red in drooping spikes. Hedge screen best in full sun. Acalypha hispida, it is called cat's tail, belongs to family Euphorbiaceae. It is also propagated through cuttings. Green leaves, hairy on top, slightly pale beneath. Adenium ovation, it is called desert rose, belongs to family Apocynaceae, propagated through cuttings. Unique plant with swollen stem, appealing like a bonsai. Almanda cathartica, it is called yellow almanda, belongs to family Apocynaceae, propagated through cuttings as well as through layers. General remarks: evergreen shrub are half climber, bright yellow trumpet shaped flowers, round the ear flowering. Almanda violacea, it is called violet almanda, belongs to family Apocynaceae. It is also propagated through cuttings as well as through layers. Evergreen shrub are half climber, purple it produces purple flowers. Aphelandra scorosa, it is called zebra plant, belongs to family Acanthaceae, propagated through cuttings. Attractive foliage with colored midribs and veins, yellow reddish pink flowers appear on the plants. Aralia species, synonyms: Polycias species, Aralia, belongs to family Araliaceae, propagated through cuttings and suckers. General remarks of Aralia are hardy plants for outdoor, indoors and pots. Wide variations in leaf shape, rounded, kidney shaped, fern like leaves, etc. Fern like leaves, Acacia falcifolia. Coloration of leaves green, brown, etc. takes place. Barleria cristata, Barleria, Acanthaceae family, propagated through cuttings and seeds, purplish blue flowers. Next shrub is Bahonia tomentosa. It is called yellow Bahonia, belongs to family Leguminaceae. It is propagated through seeds and produces yellow flowers. Sigalpinia pulcherrima, it is called pride of Barbados and peacock flower, belongs to family Leguminaceae, propagated through cuttings as well as through layerings. It produces yellow, orange, scarlet flowers. Calendra breviceps, it is called powder puff, belongs to family Leguminaceae, propagated through cuttings. Red pink powder puff like flowers develop on the tree on the shrubs. Chilodendron inermi, it is called forest jasmine, belongs to family Verbenaceae, propagated through cuttings. Evergreen species suitable for hedging and topiary. It produces white flowers. Crocenda indelectifolia, it is called Crocendra, belongs to family Acanthaceae, propagated through seeds and cuttings, and it produces orange flowers. Duranta plumeri, it is called Duranta, belongs to family Verbenaceae, seeds and cuttings generally used for propagation. Suitable for hedging, attractive foliage, blue flowers and golden yellow berries develop on the trees. Eranthemum bicolor, Eranthemum, it belongs to family Euphorbiaceae, It is propagated through cuttings and suitable for hedging, attractive foliage, dark red flowers. Golfinia glauca, it is called Golfemia, belongs to family Malpighiaceae, propagated through seeds as well as through cuttings. It produces attractive shrubs, golden yellow flowers in cluster. Hibiscus rosa sinensis, it is called hibiscus or China rose, belongs to family Malvaceae, propagated through cuttings, and it produces flower color white, yellow, orange, red, pink, etc. Holzschiloidea sanguinea, it is called Chinese head plant or cup and saucer plant, belongs to family Bourbonnaceae, propagated through cuttings as well as through layerings, and produces yellow and red flowers. Ixora coccinea, it is called Ixora, belongs to family Rubiaceae, propagated through cuttings as well as through layering, and produces yellow, orange, pink, or white colored flowers. Jasminum sambac, very important shrubs. It is called jasmine, belongs to family Oleaceae. It is a semi-hardwood, propagated through semi-hardwood cuttings and produces fragrant white flowers. Jasminum auriculatum, it is also called jasmine, belongs to family Oleaceae, propagated through semi-hardwood cuttings and produces fragrant white flowers. Jasminum grandiflorum, it is called Spanish jasmine, belongs to family Oleaceae, propagated through softwood cuttings and produces white with pink tinged flowers, and they are very fragrant. Jatropha multifida, it is called Jatropha, belongs to family Euphorbiaceae, propagated mainly through seeds as well as cuttings and produces red flowers. Lantana camara, it is called Lantana, belongs to family Bourbonnaceae, propagated through seed and cuttings. Flower color yellow, white, red, purple, etc. It is a hardy shrub suitable for hedging as well as for rockeries. Lawsonia inerme, it is called henna, belongs to family Lathyracea, propagated through seeds as well as through cuttings. It produces attractive shrubs, leaves used for coloring palm and nails. Musenda erythrophylla, it is called Musenda, belongs to family Rubiaceae, propagated through layering, scarlet and white flowers on the plant. Nerium oleander, Nerium apocynaceae, seeds, grapes and layers, these are the ways to propagate the plants. It produces dark and light pink and white flowers. Nectanthus arbortristis, it is called night jasmine or coral jasmine, belongs to family Oleaceae, propagated through cuttings. It produces attractive shrubs, white flowers with red pedicels, highly fragrant flowers. Flowering in winter when jasmine flowers are not available. Next shrub is Pentas lanceolata, it is called Pentas, belongs to family Rubiaceae, propagated through stem cuttings, red, pink, white, purple flowers. Plumbago auriculata, blue leadwort or cap leadwort, belongs to family Plumbaginaceae, propagated through seeds, cuttings and suckers, produces blue and white flowers. Rondellencia odorata, fragrant Panama rose, belongs to family Rubiaceae. Seeds, cuttings are the ways to propagate the plants. Red flowers with yellow centers. Rogelia gentiana, it is called firecracker plant, belongs to family Plantagenaceae, propagated through cuttings as well as through divisions. Red cream flowers, suitable for sunken gardens due to their drooping growth habit. Tabernaemontana coronaria, it is called crepe jasmine, belongs to family Apocynaceae. Semi-hardwood cuttings is the way to propagate it. Popular and attractive shrub, year-round flowering and produces white flowers. Tecoma stones, it is called yellow bells, belongs to family Bignoniaceae, propagated through seeds as well as through cuttings and produces yellow flowers. Year-round flowering takes place on the plants. Thebacea nerifolia, it is called Pelicaner in Hindi, belongs to family Apocynaceae. Seeds and cuttings are the ways to propagate the plants, and it produces yellow flowers. Thank you.